Hello, this is Brock with Tech Leverage, and today we're going to show you how to remove a power supply from an old computer. First thing we need to do is remove the side panel. Next thing you need to do is you need to remove all the power cables from all the devices in your computer. Start from the top. Grasping all the wires like this verifies you've disconnected all wires from the computer and the power supply is now free to come out. The next step will be removing the screws from the back. Most power supplies, all screws will be located in the back. When removing the last screw, place your hand on the back of the power supply. Next step, grab all your wires and slide the power supply back until it comes free of the stands that it's sitting on. Next, angle your power supply out and bring it out. Things to consider: your optical devices, your processor, your fans, and your RAM, including the cables, may all take part in blocking the process of removing your power supply. So you may need to remove some of these items. Fans, opticals, and cables, and RAM are all easy to take out. The CPU cooler is not. Try to take as little from here as possible.